Hello, and welcome to the Angie, VeVe, and Me show. We're so glad you tuned in.
Thank you for joining us again today. We've got some wonderful treats, some wonderful meals, some wonderful surprises and things for you guys. And we love that you all are enjoying the show. We
hear
get your
that,
comments.
so thank you.
Yes, thank you so much. And as you guys keep watching, we'll keep doing it. All right?
That's it.
So we're going to show you a little bit about what we're going to be doing as far as the cooking piece. Today we are going to be making a go-kart teddy bear.
Isn't he adorable?
Isn't he cute?
He's so cute.
And what you'll need, parents, in order to set it up for your kids so you can do this with them, you'll need some chocolate. That's going to be our glue. And we've got some fun-sized candy bars, some other little candy items here. We've got the little cookies.
Yes.
We've got the stars, the little bears right here. We got the back seat for the little bears, and some items to make it all come together. Right, but we are missing something to make it all come together, right?
We're missing our friends.
Our friends.
Yes, let's bring them on out.
Liv, Cece, Bryson, Madeline, Matthew, Olivia,
Ron. Whoa,
That
our
was
friends are here.
fast.
That was
Awesome.
so good.
Are you guys excited about today?
Yes. We love the energy. Love it, love it, love it. All right, so we are going to be making these little go-kart bear.
So
Isn't he
cute.
adorable?
Very cute.
Yes,
Yeah.
and we want to add also, and this is for you parents, because whenever we're doing any of these cooking recipes, one of the other reasons, other than safety, that you want to make sure that you're watching your kids do this is because of allergies. Like there's different types of allergies.
Allergies,
Peanut,
chocolate.
so many
stay
different
away
things.
from that. If you have any allergies, don't do this
You want to
project.
substitute
Or
this
do
with something else. So talk with your parent in regards to what you could use and substitute for these items if you're allergic to any of the things that we're cooking on these shows. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pass you guys out your plates so that you can get ready to get started.
Everyone's going to get her very own plate. I think I need another one.
So since you're gonna be making this, we're gonna start with
Our chocolates.
some chocolate. We're gonna get some fun-sized chocolates. You guys go ahead and
You want to
open
open
your
those up?
Anyway.
Yum. You can open it up and put it on your plate.
any kind.
Any chocolate. You can use any kind of
Just
chocolate.
a fun-sized bar. We'll take your little
Chocolate.
papers this
Put
way.
it on your plate.
All right, so that's gonna be the base. That's the car, right? The actual car part. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the little choo-choo part that goes on the top. We'll give him a little
So
speed.
what kind of thing can we use as a choo-choo?
Like an engine, Tootsie Roll.
We can use
Any
Tootsie
kind
Roll,
of
some type of a
chocolate,
chocolate
yes.
that kind of rolls with it. So we're gonna let you guys do this, but you're gonna cut it. So open it up.
Cut it in half.
Yes,
You're
you're gonna open
cut
it
in
first
half.
and then you're gonna cut it in half. And again, it's not sharp. We're using the best ones for kids.
Butter knife, cut it right in half.
There you go. Perfect. Take that from you. And you're done with this one? All
All
right,
right,
let's
so
listen.
you're gonna take your little piece that you just did, and we're gonna use our chocolate glue. So we're gonna use like
There
so you
go.
only need a tiny little bit. You're just gonna put it on the bottom of your little, yeah, that's a lot, just a tiny little bit. Good job.
So this is gonna make it stick,
gonna put it
right?
on
It's
that.
kind of like a glue, but
So
it's
put it-
something that you can eat.
I said yellow. It's pretty.
It is pretty.
So guys, just put it on one end of your Tootsie.
Just put it right
Okay,
there.
so hold on to
and you're
your
gonna do
spoon.
yours? This is just like a glue, right? But
Yeah,
it's
it's
chocolate.
Chocolate glue.
Just enough so it can stick.
Good job, Cece. Okay, let's put it right on the top.
I can
Okay, and you'll
do
put
half
yours
of
right
that
here,
stuff.
Olivia, when you're done. Put it on the top. That
All right,
looks
so
good. What
next
else do we need?
we are going to go ahead and make, we're gonna get the little star of the show. We're gonna get the little bear.
Pick
So
your
what
bear.
we did was we just cut the
Pick
bottom part of the
one
bear
bear
off.
It's adorable because this one is
Did you
dead.
pick
Now it's time to execute.
Put a tiny little
Oh,
bit of the glue on your little bear. Put a tiny bit. Look at there, the bear's trying to eat
The
the
bear is
chocolate.
now becoming alive and he can sit in his car and he's ready to take off in a minute.
Perfect. Look
Right?
at that. So now he needs something to rest his back on, right?
Rainbow perfect. Just like
So
those
these are
butterflies
just little,
that we
you can
made.
use anything from licorice to any type of colored candy. You can
pick
use it
one?
now and later. So put a
Okay.
tiny bit of your chocolate glue on the back. There
on the
you
bottom
go.
of the
That's it.
chocolate?
See?
If you need more, give more if you need it.
a lot of
Just
chocolate.
enough so it'll
Put his seat
stick.
back
You
a
want to
little
make
bit.
sure that it'll stick on the back
There
of
you
him.
go.
That?
there you go. That's nice. You got them perfect. Perfect.
Very nice.
Very good. Now what's missing?
The wheels.
The wheels.
The wheels on the bus that go
Round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Yay! All right, guys. So for the wheels, we are using these little round little, like tiny little Oreo.
But you're gonna use this side.
We're gonna put that side on it. So you're gonna take your little cookie apart, take 2 cookies. Again, let us know if you need more chocolate glue.
Yes. There you go.
Sometimes
More
too
too?
with the glue, if it's not sticking
Yeah,
on
I
the
used
little,
the white.
Oh, good job.
yep, you can use your cream from your
Madeline,
little
it looks
Oreo.
great. You guys are
There
doing
we go.
such a wonderful job. You guys at home are going to be able to do this, and you're going to love it. It's so much fun.
Yum,
Yes.
yummy. There you go.
Oh, it's coming together now. You just have
And
to do
just
your
like
other 2 sides.
You know what?
You can sit him down.
Bear off to
Okay, till the very
a good
end. I like that, sweetheart. That's a very
He's
good
shaking.
idea.
He's shaking. He's coming together.
Almost
Woo!
done.
You can put him down on here. Ooh, nice, nice, nice.
It's perfect, sweetie.
These
Got
bears
it. Oh,
look
look at
so
yours,
wonderful
Madeline.
now.
It's beautiful.
Isn't it gorgeous? You guys want to try these? If
Yeah.
you're
now
ready to try it,
We're
after
gonna
you-
drive it into
into
our.
your
Mouth.
mouth.
Yes, ready?
Yes. I'm
We
gonna
can
watch.
split. We're gonna watch. Yes, we're gonna split them.
I was helping.
Amazing.
It's
it
amazing. Yay!
Oh, that looks so good. I'm so ready to try it. Let's
Ready
see.
to drive him in?
Going down the digestive system highway.
Mm-hmm.
Digestive system highway.
So good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, hands up if it's good. Delicious.
All right, that was so good. and I
Delicious.
apologize for talking with my mouth full.
But come on and join us for the crafting. Are you ready for this?
You ready for it?
We are.
Let's
Let's
go.
go.
Hi, guys.
Hello, everyone. How are you?
All right, parents, as we get ready to do this craft, we just want to kind of let you know what we're doing in regards to how you can do this at home with your kids.
Definitely. So what we're going to have today is this beautiful crafts. We have wonderful colored craft string, all multicolors that we're going to use, and then lots of different beads and all kinds of wonderful things that we're going to use. And it's going to be amazing. It's going to be fun. Look to do this with your kids, and I'm sure they'll be bringing you one home as well.
Definitely.
Yes. We'll get started.
All right, you guys ready to join in on the fun?
Yay!
Yay! Fantastic.
So what color do you want? Go ahead and pick the color that you would like.
And
Just
then
pick-
we'll cut it. Are
pick
you
the
going to make
color.
a
I can't reach.
You want
Which
green?
color?
I can reach. I want to
Black? Can you pass me black? We're going to do this together because we have lots and lots of different beads.
And depending on what they're making, either a bracelet or if they're going to make a necklace,
Necklace?
that'll determine the
I wanna make
size.
a necklace.
You want to do a necklace?
Necklace? All right, so let's see about how that's going to go around your neck.
Bracelet.
And we can always cut it a little longer because then you can always turn and cut the piece off that you don't want. So you're going to hold on to that one, Matthew, and you can actually start putting it together. You guys, and when it's complete, it's going to kind of look like this. Do you see this?
Okay, do you want a bracelet?
Is that pretty cool?
Bracelet.
That's what we're going to be making. So let's see how we're going to make your bracelet. We want to make sure
you,
we
Libby.
have room for you.
Necklace or
And again, you
bracelet?
can make it a little longer. And this is really fun because who can you make these for? Who are you
Best
For who?
friends.
Best friends. Good job.
BFFs.
BFFs, best friends, BFFs.
Who else can we make them for? Who else can we
Okay.
make them for, guys?
Your siblings.
Yes.
Yes.
Where's the pen?
We got some letters in here and letters are in there.
Where's the
You can create a word. You can create a friend's name. Anything you want to do to make these
Make 'em
just as
fun.
you want. Yes. I'm
And
gonna
to
start
keep the
making
beads
one
from
myself.
falling off, guys, make sure that you kind of tie it at the end. So that way you're stringing them on
Yes.
one end and
Exactly.
they won't fall off. So make sure you tie a nice little
Nice little
knot
tie
at the end.
at the end.
can do this with us. You can do it at the same exact time. You know what products we're using. So, you know, if you've
That's our
watched it
little
the first
bouncy S.
time, you can see exactly what's happening, and then you can always hit rewind.
Let's try it again.
Or you can just watch it again.
And again, and again,
And again, and again. And just have your items ready so you can do this with us. We would love to have you be a part of this. There you go.
Like a cute
So that's the
bell.
end you got.
Here
You
go.
guys are
can do
doing
that.
so good, and we love that you share.
We
That's
love
so
it.
important. You'll hear us say this over and
Does
over
anyone
and
have
over.
an L?
An L? Anybody have an L? Do you guys see an L in there at any point? Can you look and see? If you find an L, Matthew wants an L.
Why
You
you
guys
want
can
an
share.
L?
He's making a specific word, right?
There you
Are you doing a name?
Or he may be
And then
making
in
it for
between-
someone.
In between, you can put other colors.
You
in
got it?
between.
Do you
So
need me to-
might
let me
have a
tie a
letter
knot
and
at
then
the end
stick
for
another
you?
little bead in between that and
Okay,
separate
well, I want to make
it.
sure they don't fall off of there.
You guys are doing a great job. I see a lot of really pretty, and you can make a necklace, you can make a bracelet, you can make a ring if you wanted
Make a
to,
ring.
right? Any type of jewelry, just to make it beautiful and festive and all of that. guys
You
are
can
doing a
take
really,
these and you
really
can
good job.
add them onto your book bags. So like if you just want to make a nice little collage and take it onto your book bag for school.
An S and a Y. What is this? These are the tie, an S and a Y. Oh, Madeline, I think you're done. Do you need me to tie it already?
Just a second.
You have another tie in there. Was this tied already? Okay, let's see if we can tie this for you. You guys, this is a lot of fun. I'm loving that these colors are coming together, that we're crafting, that we're sharing, which is awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Good job. I see some
You guys look so good. It's beautiful.
this.
I love the colors. This
Yes.
is something too. It's really good when you're doing different things with your hands. You know, it kind of helps your creative juices flow a little bit more.
Your motor skills
Motor
are
skills.
moving. Everything's going really good. So
All of
that's
that.
what we want to do.
And it
Sure.
takes the focus away from just, you know, the regular
I like
phones or TV and things of that nature, because you're able to get a little bit more bonding done together.
And
with your
crafting is
family.
always so much fun.
It really is.
And to do it together with friends,
It's even funner.
Thank
All
you
right.
guys. This was so much fun. We love cooking and crafting, especially with you. Keep it
Thank
up.
you.
And just enjoy yourself. Have fun with this. And
Thanks for
awesome.
joining in on all the fun.
Yes.
We're cooking and crafting.
Unite as
one.
one.
There's so many people that come together to help make this happen. We have a
yes.
fabulous crew of people here. Director, you wonderful friends, and all of you that are watching. Just continue to keep watching and we'll keep doing it.
That's it.
All
and be
right.
sure to tag us too on Angie, VeVe, and me, 360 TV.
Tag us. Let us
All
know
of
when
it.
you're making these things,
Yes.
guys. We would love to see your pictures. We'd love to see what you're doing. If you like the craft items that we're doing
Let
here,
us know.
Let us know. We'd love to see your pictures and things that you're doing and share it with us.
Definitely.
Yeah, and then next episode that we do, we're going to be making something out of agar jelly. This is something that's not like the regular jelly. It's more of a vegan or vegetarian, but it's really good. It's delicious, and we're going to show you how to make it. Isn't that beautiful?
So make sure you come back so you can make sure you participate in that. That'll be awesome. Join us next time on
Angie,
VeVe and me.